Hello guys. Today I am going to reveal the process in which how to attract the quality leads with a squeeze page. So I will basically start with the sales funnel, your sales funnel that needs to begin with the squeeze page. A squeeze page is just a web page that offers the visitor something of value such as a report on a specific topic of interest in return for the person's contact information, usually the person's name and email address. And the idea behind the squeeze page is to entice the visitor to willingly give up his or her name and email address so that you can follow up with him or her later with other relevant and useful information so that you can build a relationship or a contact with him or her and show that you are an expert in this industry or niche. Once the person feels comfortable with you, in this industry or niche well, he will be more likely to purchase the offers you recommend to him or her. These offers should consist of your own products as well as affiliate offers that you endorse. So, of course, as mentioned before, the greatest online profits come from products of your own that you own, like no other products of other people. The products that you basically own and you are planning to sell in future. So, you really want your subscribers to become comfortable with you so that they will purchase the offers in your sales funnel. So, the next step will be this is where the bulk of your profits will come from. And if you build the relationship properly and don't abuse their trust or time, it's certainly possible that they will purchase from you repeatedly whenever you offer a product offer of relevance to them. This is how you can build your online income over time. So therefore you need a product that you can offer to your squeeze page visitor for free in order for him or like her to be willing to give up contact information. You can either create this product on your own, use outsources to create it, or use private labels products to create it, commonly known as PLR. So the main point is that the information must be valuable to the subscriber and the squeeze page must indicate exactly what the prospect will be getting when when the content is submitted to the contact information. So therefore, if you plan to provide a mini report or mini ebook on how to get more qualified traffic to your website, your squeeze page must indicate this properly. And your autoresponder needs to send the link to download the report or send an email with the attached file as soon as the subscriber has sent the contact information known as single opt-in, or after it has been confirmed that he or she wants the report known as double opt-in. So if the information sounds valuable to the subscriber, he or she will be willing to give up the contact information. If it does not, then it will likely won't work. So the free gift must be something that the subscriber wants to find out about the subscriber so that he can give up his contact information to the concerned person. So the information you provide in the free report should be useful to the person, but it should not include everything about the topic in question. If you include all the information in that free report, they will have no reason to buy any of your related offers, which is exactly the ultimate goal you have in mind for them. Thus, how will the free report will work for them or for you is the free report needs to be useful and valuable to where it gives them some insight into the problem or issue they're having, but also indicate or imply that you have more valuable information for them to consider acquiring by visiting your main product sale page, the link which should be at the end of your free report so that they can find out more about it and purchase it. I hope this works out for everyone having issues with the sales funnel. I'll be coming out with more valuable stuff. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video.